Welcome to UMCC Medical Consultant Connectors, where your health matters to us. Kindly like, subscribe, and share. Imagine a busy city hospital where every second counts and every decision can make a difference. Now, picture this hospital making a major leap, upgrading from stacks of paper files to a cutting-edge digital patient record system. The promise is huge: instant access to information, fewer mistakes, and a smoother experience for both patients and staff. The goal? Faster access, fewer errors, and ultimately, better care for everyone who walks through the doors. But without a clear, well-thought-out plan, things can quickly spiral out of control. The new software isn't compatible with the hospital's old computers, and staff haven't been properly trained to use it. Suddenly, what should be simple tasks, like checking a patient's chart or entering new information, start taking twice as long as before. A patient, who's already anxious, now waits even longer for test results, unsure of what's happening behind the scenes. Meanwhile, a nurse can't update a medication chart in time, risking delays in treatment and adding to everyone's stress. The project, which was supposed to make life easier, now drags on for months, blowing past deadlines and budgets and leaving everyone frustrated. The real issue isn't the technology itself, it's the lack of strong project management guiding the change. In healthcare, every project is a complex web of people, resources, and constantly shifting priorities. Every link in the chain matters. When these aren't managed well, the consequences go far beyond missed deadlines. They can directly impact patient safety and trust. Even the most skilled doctors and the latest equipment can't compensate for a lack of coordination and clear communication. That's why effective project management is essential. It's the bridge that turns good ideas into real, lasting improvements for patients and staff alike. Without it, even the best intentions can backfire, creating new problems and unexpected setbacks that ripple through the entire hospital. In medicine, managing change well is just as important as the change itself. It's about preparation, teamwork, and anticipating challenges before they become crises. In the end, it's the difference between true progress and costly chaos. A lesson every hospital must learn to deliver the best care possible. So, what is project management in healthcare? It's the structured approach that guides any change, from launching a new surgery program to improving check-in times. Project management answers: who's involved? What's the plan? How much will it cost? What's the timeline? Unlike daily operations, a project is temporary, with a clear start and finish. It ensures resources are used wisely and that new ideas actually help patients. Without it, even the best innovations can get lost in the daily chaos. Mastering project management in healthcare means more than just keeping things organized. It's about leading teams to deliver better patient outcomes and lasting improvements. Success starts by following a few key steps that guide every project from concept to completion. First, plan thoroughly. Define the project's main goal. Map out each stage of the process and anticipate any obstacles that could arise along the way. Next, assemble the right team for the job and set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, to give everyone clear direction and purpose. Then, manage the timeline and budget closely, scheduling every task, allocating resources wisely, and making sure deadlines are realistic and achievable. Stay flexible to adapt as things change. After completion, evaluate the project's impact. Did it deliver real, measurable benefits for patients, staff, or the organization as a whole? Each step is essential to keeping projects on track, ensuring accountability, and actually improving the quality of care delivered. With strong project management, great ideas become real results that make a difference in healthcare every day. When project management fails in healthcare, the risks are not just inconvenient, they can be truly devastating. The consequences ripple through every level of the organization, affecting patients, staff, and the hospital's reputation. Patient safety suffers, like when staff aren't properly trained on new equipment, leading to dangerous errors and preventable accidents. Confusion and uncertainty can put lives at risk, and even small mistakes can have serious outcomes for vulnerable patients. Budgets spiral out of control, wasting money that could save lives elsewhere. Resources are misallocated, and expensive equipment sits unused, while critical needs go unmet. Financial mismanagement can threaten the hospital's ability to provide quality care. Staff morale drops, causing burnout and turnover. Overworked and unsupported teams struggle to keep up, leading to frustration, exhaustion, and a loss of passion for their vital work. Projects finish late, over budget, or don't deliver promised improvements. Delays and setbacks mean patients and staff miss out on the benefits of innovation and progress. Poor management erodes trust and leaves hospitals worse off than before. Relationships between staff, patients, and leadership become strained, making future improvements even harder to achieve. In healthcare, the cost of mismanaged change is measured in both dollars and lives. Every mistake has a human impact, and financial losses can mean fewer resources for those who need them most. That's why strong project management isn't just helpful. It's absolutely non-negotiable for hospitals that want to deliver safe, effective care and build a better future. Strong project management is a commitment to better patient care. It means new technology works on day one, and improvements actually help patients and staff. Staff are trained, supported, and able to focus on care, not chaos. This leads to higher job satisfaction and a resilient team. With good management, hospitals can innovate confidently and adapt to new challenges. Investing in these skills shapes a future where healthcare is safer, smarter, and more responsive. That's how we build a healthier tomorrow for everyone. UMCC, your ultimate medical consultant connector.